Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show how to cook Thai papayas. In Thailand we call Som Tum Para. Let's see all ingredients. I have chili and garlic, tomato, sugar, lime, fermented fish sauce, and fish sauce, Thai tamarind juice, and papaya, half of carrot. So let's pound garlic and chili together. I use dry chili too. This one is quite spicy. If you don't like spicy, less chili. That's what I want. Then we add sugar. I just put about half a spoon first. One spoon. So I use half of lime juice. Then I put tamarind juice. Or 1 spoon. And you mix together. You want juice come out with the tomato sauce and lime juice and sugar, everything. One and half spoon. And you mix together. If you want to do Thai papaya salad. You don't have to put this fish sauce. You don't have to put this one. So I add all more sugar. A bit more lime juice. Already finished. A bit spicy. You can less chili. This healthy food, Thai papaya salad. You can eat with sticky rice. Okay, finished already. They look so yummy and spicy too. This is very popular in Thailand because Som Tum Para. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.